ball. Get the ball. Want to get the ball? You're so cute. You're so cute. It's July. Yeah. Tomorrow's the 4th of July. Oh, you have it. Come on. Come on, kitty. Get the ball. Get the ball. Or do you want the LPS? LPS.
No.
Get the ball. No, not the LPS. Don't get me. Okay. Let's get the. Hi. Yeah. Here, get the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball. Thank you, Pop. Focus, camera. Focus.
You did what? Get in there now. Go. I'm watching you go. Turn on that light right there. See that light right there? Reach over and turn on that light.
Kitty.
Now go. Your sister's right there. Now go.
Thank you so much. Get your ball. Oh, you're welcome. Get the ball. Get your ball. Focus, camera. Get the ball. You like that ball? That's actually a basketball for my little pet shops. Why are you playing with it? You're my birthday present. You're my 9th birthday present, which was just yesterday. You're my 9th birthday present. You're my yesterday's 9th birthday present. Yep. Take a look at little kitty. Her name's Allie. Yeah, your name's Allie. You're gonna go catch a June bug? Come on, let's go catch a June bug. Hey! Your little friend took it. Why'd you take it? Did you take it? Oh, did you take it? Don't act all sweet. I wanted to eat that. Say, I wanted to eat that. Say, I wanted it. Come here. Let's go play with your ball. Go play with your ball. Go get the ball. Close the door.